Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you what is export PDF page as image activity in PDF activities. So to get all these activities package in this activities panel, you need to install PDF activities package. So to watch the video on how to install PDF activities package, look at my playlist of PDF activities in my channel. So for now I am going to explain directly about export PDF page as image activity. So in the name itself, it is used to convert or it is used to export a single PDF page as an image. So it can convert or it will export only single page. So if you want to convert all the pages, you need to provide the page numbers in the fields of properties panel. So first let me start with adding sequence, and inside this sequence I am going to add this export PDF page as image activity, and here you need to provide the path of PDF page and you need to provide the path of the file. After converting this PDF page to image, you need to provide the file path. So first let me show you how to view the path. So click on this folder icon and click on this PDF document. So it is going to convert as image now. So I need to give the path and in which location the image file is going to be stored. So I will just copy this and I will just rename its name. Ctrl C and I will paste it here within quotations, and I will just change its name to image.jpg format. So that's it, and we need to provide one more field which is a page number. So it is nothing but, for example, it is my PDF document. Let me open this. This PDF contains 30 number of pages. So for example, if I want to convert this second page to an image file, I will just give the page number 2 in that page number field in UiPath. So I will give a number 2 in this field. So this PDF page is going to convert as image file and it is going to be stored under this PDF document. So that's it, and let me run this process and see. So task is done, and go to the PDF page. So this is PDF document and this is image which is converted to image from the PDF document. Let me open this. So this is an image of that PDF document. So in the name of image and as we given in that UiPath. So this is how to use export PDF page as image activity. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and like my video.